Yeah, it was. I think a clean sheet and 4 goals scored, a win at home. We knew what the game would be like, and it turned out that way. We had to be patient for a little bit. I thought we was very professional.
Better than you would have expected, though, to win 4-0. I mean, you've probably taken a 1 or a 2, but to win 4.
Yeah, no, it's good. I think it shows the progress that we've made when you look back towards the Andorra games in the last campaign, which was similar. I think we dealt with it a lot better tonight. We took our chances well as well.
And you said,
sorry.
just knocked my phone over. You said you knew what type of game it would be tonight, and it was a tough physical challenge.
Yeah, we knew that it would be like that. That's international football, and as I said before the game, with the top seeds, and people are looking at it a little bit differently now, and they're probably not going to come out as much in the 90 minutes, and I think that was the way that Moldova played today, and we took our foot off the gas a little bit in the second half, which is only to be expected, I suppose, when you're up. But I thought on the whole, as I say, we did a professional job, and we scored 4 goals and got the win.
And again, the contribution from Gareth Bale to score twice tonight.
Yeah, no, he took his first goal brilliantly, all round. He worked hard all night, and does what he always does for Wales.
It sets you up perfectly, doesn't it, for the double-header against Austria and Georgia, by which time you'll have all had more football, you're perhaps a little bit fitter.
Yeah, definitely. I think you could see the boys weren't as sharp as we normally are as a team and as a squad. But we wanted to get off with a win, obviously, and we've done that. We've got 3 points on the board. So yeah, as you say, it sets it up for the next 2 games.